This is the check, the landing check.
Before landing?
Yeah, what is it? What's the first thing in there?
Belt.
Okay, check your belt was good. Okay.
Fuel selector.
On both.
Fuel is tank.
Here at the airport. Very excited? Nervous? It's okay, it's gonna be alright. Birthday girl, this is your captain speaking.
Hi.
Birthday, ready for an adventure?
Oh, yep.
Yeah. Yeah, I know, right? Here we go.
Yeah.
Huh? Come on, get in there. Got in there? You do it? Okay. Should I do? Yeah, like this cheese. That's actually a good picture.
Huh?
It's a good picture.
You just think he's gonna plan and start engine and take off? No. It's not that easy. Just make sure you know, it's time to take off. You want to make sure you have all the stuff together. Just copy everything. That's where information on things like that. Okay. Everything's good. Make sure this is good here. Ready for the flight? Alright, should have to start the plane. No, you got a checklist in here that we use first of all. You gotta make sure the parking brake is set. Right? The door is locked. The door is locked. On the roof. Check. Seatbelt is good. Circuit breakers are all pushed in. Nothing popped. That's good. And circuit breaker fuel selector on both. And master switch is coming on. Alright. Flaps staying up. And then, mixer will also be rich. I'm gonna look it on the whole time. Mixer rich. Carby off. Just prime the plane. Let's put fuel injection in there. This is just like a motor. It's an older plant. You gotta put it's locked. Back on. And okay. And power full. Tie that up. Yeah. Clear. Making sure nobody's into the plane. There you go, start the plane. Put more fuel in there. I should put it. Okay.
Now we're going to do controls to make sure our controls working. Aileron is good. Our rudder is good. The stuff is working. Nothing is crazy. Okay. He should be coming in a minute. Alright. Okay, so checklist is good. Plane instrument check. Okay, switch that to the north. He should be coming in with minute or two. Can you hear me? What did I do if I test mine? Yeah. How's that make? I don't know if you're perfect yet. No, that's perfect. Instrument check and reset. My altimeter was, so we're gonna take. That's okay, just and the Norris 23, and we had 3023, the check, trims, takeoff, transponder. You see him? Okay. Good pilot. When? Yeah, he's coming now. Time check. On, flaps up, make sure rich. Copy it off, taller. Okay, climb 55. Alright, just want to wish my baby happy birthday. I won't disclose her age, but she look fine as a wine. Happy birthday, sweetie. Gonna take you on a nice flight today to Aiken. Rotate. Here we are.
Experimental 3146 Sierra in position, hold 23 for departing traffic.
Down the traffic, Cessna 62 Golf Kilo is on the upwind. Turning right turn to find the pattern. Down the traffic.
Technical traffic, Experimental 3146 Sierra, departure roll 23 to the north.
So you could come and fly more often.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so peaceful here, so just nice. See, that's the highway. I don't know if you see it from here, but... But you know, when I'm flying, I was thinking about if there's an emergency, where do I need to land the plane, right? I always look at like a clear area. It just makes it so easy, you know.
Green County, Navion 4358 Kilo will be turning left base for runway 25, Green County.
Okay, let me call them up.
Skyhawk 381 interview.
Traffic, on a 7 mile final. Runway 3, full stop, cover.
Empty road.
Green County, Navion 4358 Kilo, on final for runway 25, Green County.
Aiken traffic, Cessna 62 Golf Kilos at 3,000, 8 miles. Will be doing a field cross for runway 19 or full stop.
4?
Yeah, turn. You're my co-pilot, so. Yeah. And it's a normal short takeoff, descending checklist. Do this for me. What is this? Read the top. This is the check for landing checklist.
Before landing?
Yeah, what is it? What's the first thing in there?
Belt.
Okay, check your
Door.
belt was good. Okay.
Fuel selector.
On both.
Fuel is tank both.
Okay.
Mixture.
Rich.
Okay. As required.
Okay.
Carburetor. On.
Okay, we're gonna go a little bit up here. Press not your flap. Good. Speed is good. Always gotta watch for your speed when you land. Aiken traffic, Cessna 62 Golf Kilo, turning left downwind for runway 19, a full stop, Aiken traffic. I'm gonna make a left turn here. Traffic, Cessna 62 Golf Kilo is turning final, runway 19er, Aiken traffic. The runway. Watch for the speed. And we line up with the runway and pick a spot on the runway to land. And now Not final notch and flap. You just gotta line up with the runway. A little bit high, so I'm just descending. High speed. All this way. Okay. Just slow on the runway. Out on the runway. Speed. A little bit of power. Okay, got the runway made. Yep. Power is down. Center line. Pick your spot. Center line. Just hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Oh, one of my best landing ever. Did you even feel it? I was so scared. I'm like, man. Please don't let this be a bad landing. My wife would never get with me on a plane again. I was like the best landing I ever had. Alright. Oh, I got you on the ground, sweetie. Yeah. You excited? Okay. Man, nobody's here today. Yeah. Aiken traffic, Cessna 62 Golf Kilos, cleared off runway 19er. Taxiing.
Yeah. This is what I black people here. Hopefully, come on, this on.
We are here. We landed. Alhamdulillah. Yeah.
What do you think?
I loved it, babe.
So first time we're flying somewhere.
Huh?
Fly with me?
Sure.
I was trying to take you to Columbia, South Carolina. It's the captain speaking. Yeah, I'm just glad we just landed here in Aiken. It was really beautiful weather. Look at the sky, it's clear. One of my best landing. I got a little nervous. My wife with me, and I didn't want to have a bad landing because that scared her off. So that was good. So she's excited about that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Awesome. Let me turn this camera off.